Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about GST unit number 2. So first question is introduction, enabling GST and defining tax details. So in that the first question is briefly discuss about getting started with the GST, discuss the various steps involved in GST and defining the tax details. So here just he's asking about how to start the GST or how to enable the GST in Tally. So now I'm going to how to enable this. If you observe here, so now here, so for enabling the GST, he has given the steps. So enabling the GST and defining tax details. In Tally ERP9, GST should be enabled for recording all tax details. For recording all the tax details, so we have to enable the GST. The following are the various steps involved in enabling the GST and defining tax details of a company in Tally ERP9. So step number 1, create a company in Tally ERP9 with the details as follows. He has given the company name Mars and Co, address number 307 Galaxy Building, Telangana 5,55. And he has given financial year 1/4/2018, but now the financial year is 1/4/2019. So with these details we are going to first create a company. So for creating the company, first go to the Tally ERP9. So now I am in Tally ERP9 gateway of Tally screen. So as per the uh, so here the first step is create a company in Tally ERP9 with the details given as follows. Company name Mars and Co. How to create a company first? So go Alt F3, in that select create company, press enter. So first give the details. So I'm giving what he has given the name is Mars and Co. So I'm giving Mars and Co. And he has given further details, address 307 Galaxy Building, Telangana. I am not going to give all these things, simply I will give Telangana. Okay, he has given Galaxy Building address, he has given Galaxy Building. So country India, state Telangana, select from the details. So pin code he has given 5 lakh 5 lakh 5 he has given, so I am giving the same 5 lakh 5. So next thing is, so if you want to give other details like phone number, mobile number, give all this thing. And here next thing is financial year 1/4/2019. So I'm giving 1/4/2019. Press Ctrl A. So now the company is got created. If you observe here, Mars and Co, and no vouchers entered. Till now we have not, just now we created, so no vouchers entered here, it is showing. The next thing is, after this, so first step number 1 got completed. Now step number 2. So what is step number 2 here? Step number 2 is go to gateway of Tally screen, press F11, press F3. So a statutory and taxation details subscreen appears as below. So now we will see this screen how it is appearing in Tally. So now, so press F11, features, in that statutory and taxation. So select the company, enter. So the same screen is showing here. So after this, what he has told, next one is, so select S to enable GST and S to alter GST details. A GST details screen appears as below. So now we have to give all the GST details in step number 3. In step number 4, he is giving the tax details, and he has given a description of ice cream, and HSN number also he has given. So now step number 4. So step number 5 is enter the tax details. Enter 18% integrated GST. The central and states tax are auto-filled. Press Ctrl A to accept. The same thing we are going to give in GST. So how to give? So first enabling GST, press yes, enter, and set or alter GST details. Here also press enter. Now the give state, one second, give state Telangana, registration, press enter. Registration type composition or regular. As of now we are dealing with the regular, so regular. SSC of other territory, no. GST applicable from 1 April 2019. So GST number, give the GST number. So here I am giving some GST number 36 double A double C V 7 double 5 0 P 1 Z0, some GST number which I got. So I'm press enter. So verify the GST and yes, enter. So if you are entering the GST number wrong, it will show the GST number is wrong. So I have entered the correct, so that's why it is not showing any error. So periodicity of GSTR 1. So how you are filing your GST, either monthly or quarterly. So I am filing monthly. So is e-way bill applicable here? Press no. Next one is enter. Here no. So set or alter GST details. Press Y here. Yes. So here you are getting one more screen. So now taxability, whether they are taxable or not. So these goods are taxable. Press enter. So but if you observe here, it is in the screen, it is showing some other details like so description along with his it is showing HSN or SAC. The notes, it was given HSN or SAC and he has given some number. What is the meaning of this HSN or SAC? So we will see details in the Google. So now what is HSN code? HSN means Harmonized System of Nomenclature Code, used for classifying the goods under GST, that is goods and service tax. So the GST has given some numbers, HSN code number for easily identification of goods. For example, different states will use different names for a product, so they will use different words. So the government, how can they understand what they are telling? So they are giving some codes. For example, for soap they have given 1 lakh, so that means all 1 lakh codes means soaps. For that soaps directly they will give some percentage, 18%, 20%, they will give the GST rate. So just for identifying the product, so or for classifying the goods, they have given some code, we call it as HSN code. So that if the goods HSN code, for services we will use SAC code. SAC code stands for Services Accounting Code. HSN stands for Harmonized System of Nomenclature Code. This is for goods and SAC for services. So now, so here, but in the tally it is not appearing. So how to get those details means, so press F12. Here configuration was there, press F12. So here it was no, so press yes. So then you will get the details. So and one more thing, show all type details. Yes. So here the description, so what type of goods, example in here he has given ice cream. The same I am giving here ice cream, and he has given some HSN number 21050000, 21050000, and here it is taxable. And I am giving IGST, integrated GST. I have told you what is the meaning of IGST, SGST. All the details I have told you in the previous class only, so I am not going to repeat all those things. So IGST I have given 18, so automatically it will split into CST 9% and SGST central tax 9% and state tax 9%. So save, control A. So now all the details have been saved. So this is our first question. So thank you. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel.